Welcome to the ultimate battleground of mobile gaming. Today we're not just talking about any phone, we're diving into the beast built for gamers, the ASUS ROG Phone 7. With insane power, cutting-edge cooling technology, and a design that screams performance, this phone is a game changer literally. Whether you're a competitive mobile gamer or just someone who craves peak performance, stick around because we're about to take this phone for a spin, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's kick things off with the design. The ASUS ROG Phone 7 maintains the aggressive, futuristic look that the ROG series is known for. It's bold, angular, and unapologetically gaming-focused with RGB lighting on the back that adds to its striking aesthetics. This phone doesn't just look like a gaming rig, it feels like one solid, well-built, and designed to handle those intense gaming sessions. Now, let's talk about the screen. The ROG Phone 7 boasts a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a jaw-dropping 165Hz refresh rate. That means ultra-smooth visuals, whether you're navigating the phone or diving into the latest AR mobile games. With a full HD resolution and HDR10 support, the colors are vibrant, the blacks are deep, and the contrast is perfect for any type of media. Under the hood, this phone is an absolute monster. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, paired with up to 16GB of RAM, the ROG Phone 7 doesn't just run games, it demolishes them. You can throw the most demanding games at it, and it'll handle them with ease, running at max settings without even breaking a sweat. What good is a gaming phone without the power to back it up, right? The ROG Phone 7 comes with a massive 6,000 mAh battery, split between two cells to help with heat management. Whether you're grinding for hours in a MOBA or binge watching streams, this battery will keep you going all day. But wait, there's more. The audio on the ROG Phone 7 is nothing short of incredible. It's got dual front-facing stereo speakers that deliver loud, clear, and immersive sound. If you're the kind of gamer who plays without headphones, you're in for a treat. Every explosion, footstep, and soundtrack sounds epic. And don't forget about the customizable software experience. With ROG's Armory Crate, you can tweak performance settings, control the RGB lighting, and manage game profiles to suit your exact playstyle. The phone even comes with a dedicated gaming mode that optimizes everything for peak performance when you're in game. Let's not forget the camera setup on this device. While gaming is the star of the show, the ROG Phone 7 still delivers a respectable camera experience with a 50MP main sensor, 13MP ultra-wide, and a 5MP macro lens. You can capture crisp photos and 8K video, but let's be real, this phone's main focus is on delivering the best gaming experience. The camera is more than capable for your social media needs, but it's not the hero here. So who is the ASUS ROG Phone 7 for? If you're serious about mobile gaming, this is the phone you've been waiting for. It's a beast of a device, built from the ground up for gamers with performance that'll leave you speechless and features that give you the edge in every battle. The 165Hz display, powerful cooling system, and insane battery life make it the ultimate gaming phone. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button, subscribe for more epic tech content, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. What feature of the ROG Phone 7 excites you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time.